This episode, I'm making a very delicious North Indian sweet dish called the Phirni. First, I'm going to start with grinding the rice. Add the rice and the water that it's soaked in, and I'm going to grind this into a smooth paste. Just feel it in between your fingers and you should not be able to feel the rice granules. And this is ready. Let's get cooking. I'm going to start with adding the milk. I have half a liter of milk over here. And I'm going to bring it to a boil. Once the milk starts boiling, I'm going to add the rice paste. Keep stirring. As this cooks, it's going to start sticking to the bottom. So you'll have to keep stirring. I'm going to keep cooking this till the milk reduces almost to half. Make sure there are no lumps formed and slowly let this reduce. The milk has been boiling since 15 minutes and it's also reduced and become thick. So now I'm going to add the condensed milk, 7 tablespoons. If you don't have condensed milk, you can also use sugar, around 6 to 7 tablespoons of sugar. Mix it well. We're also going to let the condensed milk cook and again reduce it. The milk has become nice and thick. I cooked it for another 5 minutes after I added the condensed milk. And now I'm going to turn off the flame and let it just cool down for 7 to 8 minutes. As the Phirni cools, it becomes thick. Now I'm going to add the cardamom powder. You can also throw in some dry fruits if you like. Mix it well. If you're health conscious, you can always add a sugar substitute instead of condensed milk or sugar. I'm also going to add the rose water. If you don't have rose water, you can always add few drops of rose essence. Let's plate this. Phirni normally is always served in an earthen pot, but you can always serve it in whatever serving dish that you have. Let's garnish it with a few almond flakes and a few pistachio flakes. Let the Phirni set in the refrigerator for at least an hour and serve it chilled. Please your guests with a simple dessert. I'm sure they'll enjoy it. Do subscribe to Rajshri Food. See you in the next episode. Take care. Bye-bye.